Tonight, storm-weary residents in Florida continue to pick up the pieces after Hurricane Milton swept through the state last week. However, a shortage of gas coupled with mass power outages is hampering the relief efforts.
CNN's Lee Waldman has the latest.
After back-to-back hurricanes ripped through Florida, people living there are struggling to sift through the debris left behind.
So much damage was already done. There was less for Milton to do.
Those efforts are hindered by gas shortages in Tampa, St. Petersburg, as well as Sarasota, where Milton made landfall. About 50% of gas stations have no fuel as of Monday afternoon, according to monitoring website GasBuddy. President Joe Biden toured the Tampa area Sunday to discuss recovery efforts.
FEMA has delivered 1.2 million meals, over 300,000 liters of water, 2 million gallons of fuel.
As of Monday morning, just under 400,000 customers across the state are without power, down from a peak of nearly 3 million, according to PowerOutage.us.
About 75% of the power has been restored across Florida, and most believing that by the end of Tuesday, the vast majority will be online.
Meanwhile, in North Carolina, some FEMA teams are having to pull back on door-to-door outreach to disaster survivors because they're facing threats. In a statement, a FEMA spokesperson said, "For the safety of our dedicated staff and the disaster survivors we're helping, FEMA has made some operational adjustments. Disaster recovery centers will continue to be open as scheduled." I'm Lee Waldman reporting.